Great Tan! Tan the man, peace be upon him.
Tan the man.
I come bearing drinks in memory of the great Tan the man. May we never forget him.
Never forget him. What's happening to him?
Unfortunately, his visitor's visa has run out of time. So in memory of Tan the man, the great man, peace be upon Tan. All repeat after me. Peace after... No, I've got to get it right.
What does he say?
Peace be upon the great Tan.
Peace be upon the great Tan.
Louder. Peace be upon the great Tan.
Peace be upon the great Tan.
Tan the prophet.
Tan the
Please
man.
step forward and accept the holy liquor.
Be blessed. There's only a handful. Come on. Will he be feeding
6 months he was here, and what a mark he has left. Tan the man.
Push free speech.
Peace be upon Tan the man. Would you like some tango? All faiths and all creeds may drink the holy liquor.
Peace be upon Tan.
Peace be upon him.
Peace be upon him. Repeat. Peace be upon him.
Tan the prophet.
Let's try and pray to get him back. Yes. A collective worship.
No, we won't do that. No collective worship.
Tan.
Worship for Tan. Let's pray.
The holy liquor. Why are you shaking your head?
Someone else take it. Come on.
This was water before Tan blessed it.
Tan.
I can't take it home with me.
I propose a toast. For Tan.
Pardon?
Propose a toast.
I can't hear you. Sugar, sorry, not full fat. How could the holy liquor be sugar-free?
That's Tan's not about that.
Tan for me.
Tan from there. He can't be worse than the current one. I am.
Tan. That's Tan for world president.
What do you think? Tan for mayor, Tan for prime minister, or Tan for king?
King.
Great Tan. In honour of the great Tan.
In honour of the great Tan. I'll start throwing them in a minute. Step forward, don't be shy. This is the holy liquor. I've said it 4 times and it still gets a laugh. The holy liquor. Coca-Cola, that's shit for you. Drink the holy liquor.
Only if you believe in Tan.
Coca-Cola will give you cancer. You need to drink the holy liquor. His visitor's visa finished at 6 months.
Steve, what's COE?
COE.
He's Chinese over everything.
Do you know Tan is the COE of COE?
Chinese over everything.
No, CEO of COE. Get it right. Do you like one in the back, Muslim brothers? It's the holy liquor. Come, step forward. Step forward. It's halal. Not really. Halal holy liquor from Tan the man. I know you like a fizzy pop, Danny.
That's it. How many more left?
Yeah, what is really...
There's loads left. There is no limit. Don't pour it out. Don't you dare be sacrilegious.
The only appropriate thing to do with this.
He is going to litter. Officer! Officer!
That does not.
Stone him! Stone him! In the name of Tan, stone this heretic!
I say from having this, and you call me disgusting.
Jog on! Jog on! You always get one heretic, don't you? Blasphemy, yes.
I'm a capitalist heretic. Hang me.
That's yours as well. Sorry, Tan. It gets a crowd, doesn't it? Giving free drinks out.
He gets the crowd, he gives you free drugs. That's the only way he can keep you here, giving you a little bit of sugar.
What's wrong with a little bit of sugar?
What a load of...
The beautiful plants make us sugar.
Yeah, but
Who are we not to
type of
eat
sugar,
it?
not that type.
It's orange, you fool.
Orange. Can we look at the ingredients? Let's see how much orange there is.
The last one.
It's all an illusion. What are you worrying about?
Who will give me £5 for one of the last ones? Joke.
Who's a believer?
You need to read out the ingredients first. People, the ingredients are almost too difficult to pronounce.
410.
Same.
Where are the students? Come forward, students.
Saccharin, phenylalanine,
I know. I'm going to bring 2 fishes and a loaf of bread next
When you
week.
drink this stuff, it makes it more.
I'm going to have one myself, by the way. So.
Oh yeah, we need to do a thingy, man. Is that the
Last
last
one.
one?
Takes your ability
Oh, the special one.
to be
Come on,
sharp.
let's do
Takes it
a
away,
let's
whatever
do a
he says,
thing. Cheers.
You're more likely to believe it if he sugared you up before.
So, please all raise your cans.
For Tan!
In the memory of Tan. Tan! 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 Tan!
Peace be upon Tan.
Our beloved prophet.
We miss him. He'll be back. We're going to pray for him. We'll pray for him to come back. There you go, man. For Tan. That's it. We're going to do collective worship now. Collective worship.
All right.
Glorious, no, I